Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about Bett Vaccine. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Biological Ltd. Bett Vaccine. Uses. The Bett Vaccine is used for the prevention of tetanus, a serious bacterial infection that can cause muscle stiffness, difficulty breathing, and a locked jaw. Benefits. This vaccine helps the body develop immunity to tetanus by stimulating the production of antibodies. It can be administered to individuals of all ages, starting as early as 2 months of age. Booster doses are recommended every 10 years for continued protection. It can also be given after exposure to the bacteria to ensure safety. Side effects. Like most vaccines, Bett Vaccine may cause mild side effects. These include injection site reactions such as pain, swelling, or redness, along with a loss of appetite and mild fever. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. The Bett Vaccine should only be administered by a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or a nurse. Do not attempt to self-administer this vaccine. Ensure you follow your doctor's advice for dosing and schedule. How it works? The Bett Vaccine works by initiating a mild and harmless infection that stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies. These antibodies provide long-term protection against tetanus, ensuring the body is prepared to fight off future infections.